Today, we're going to dismantle a myth. Not about quality, not about design, but about structural reality. The idea that FreeBSD, or BSD in general, could at this point displace Linux in the cloud, technically and culturally, at this point, it's extremely unlikely. And the reasons go far deeper than performance or code. It's economic, it's cultural, and it's baked into the very infrastructure of modern cloud computing. When I say win the cloud, I'm talking about the default infrastructure positioning, the dominant OS powering infrastructure VMs, the foundation for Kubernetes and container tooling, platform developers, DevOps, enterprises, used by default, supported vendor ecosystem and certifications. The hard truth is, Linux already owns all of this. According to recent market research, Linux powers nearly half the global cloud workloads and dominates public cloud infrastructure on platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Only a tiny sliver, little tiny fraction of Cloud OS instances run BSD, and that means practically nothing in the market perspective compared to Linux. Linux runs roughly 49% of global cloud workloads as of 2025, and across the major public clouds, it effectively controls 90% of the infrastructure. Even outside the cloud, Linux holds roughly 44.8% of overall server OS market. Linux is the OS of choice on 100% of the world's top 50 supercomputers. That's mind-blowing. Linux distributions like Red Hat, Ubuntu, and others dominate enterprise usage, and they're growing. Linux doesn't just run servers, it defines expectations. It defines expectations for the cloud, orchestrating tooling and enterprise tooling. The entire ecosystem is Linux native. Wait there. Hello? Contrast that with BSD. It shows up in niche applications, niche roles, custom appliances, networking equipment, embedded servers, and embedded systems, not as the platform of choice for cloud infrastructure at hyperscale. Cloud native doesn't just mean Linux is used. It implies the entire stack: Kubernetes, Docker, container runtimes. Orchestration layers assumes Linux schematics, C groups, namespaces, SC Linux, AppArmor, container tooling deeply tied to Linux kernel features. These are BSD alternatives. There are BSD alternatives, but none of them compete at scale because the language of cloud native is Linux native. You can port, shim, or adapt. That's not the same as being the default native substrate. This structural constraint is huge. When you design everything around Linux primitives, you incentivize engineers to avoid alternatives, not invest heavily in them. This isn't about quality. FreeBSD is technically excellent. It's about ecosystem lock-in, and I've talked about this before. 3 points here. Major hardware vendors optimize drivers and tooling for Linux first, often exclusively. Number 2, developer and DevOps bias. Around 90% of cloud native developers prefer Linux environments, they just do. And number 3, enterprise inertia. DevOps teams, continuous integration, pipelines, configuration management tools, all start with Linux defaults. BSD rarely shows up as a default target in cloud provisioning. Businesses don't invest in alternatives unless there's a compelling economic advantage. And BSD just doesn't offer that in cloud context. This is not all doom and gloom for BSD. BSD winning the cloud doesn't mean BSD is worthless. BSD offers an alternative to using the cloud. Simpler code base, cleaner licensing, security culture, think of OpenBSD, solidarity in networking and storage workloads. But the market didn't choose BSD for cloud. The market chose Linux. And that matters more than fans think. So we need to ask, is dominance in hyperscale the right measure of success for a BSD? Maybe the real win for BSD isn't eyeing Linux's throne. Maybe it's dominating niche realities where Linux's complexity and ecosystem are weaknesses. So let me ask you, is cloud dominance even the right metric for success for BSD? I don't think it is. What do you think? Does BSD need to be in the cloud to be relevant? Or should the community redefine what success looks for BSD? Drop your thoughts below. Don't just tell me a yes or no, tell me why. Cheers everybody. I'll see you in the next one. That was very short. Very, very short.